in the sim break in the samayatana, I was back in Calicut, and then that's how I came through this AI workshop led by Rizwan at Haris&Co. For me, it was personal level, it was very leveraging, because in terms of ഞാൻ ChatGPT നല്ലോണം ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന ഒരാളാണ്. I use it very religiously, and then I got to know how effectively you can use it, what are the prompts, അങ്ങനെ. And then I was also a person who was shooting a lot of content at the time, so എനിക്കിത് എഡിറ്റിംഗ് എപ്പോൾ ഒരു ചോറായിരുന്നു. So that's how I got to know many apps, AI apps, which I could use, add my captions on my own in like seconds. And at personal level, I subscribe to many of the tools as well. And then in the main takeaway, actually we got to know the world of AI, how you could use effectively, to many tools, how you can do in your daily according to your utilities and so on. So far it was really a great day workshop, and then we got to know the world of AI. Thanks to Rizwan.